Mutable signs, Gemini, Virgo, and Sagittarius, Pisces, may mensaheng kailangan mong marinig bago matapos ang December. Eight of Swords, may pressure, overthinking, or feeling na hindi ka makagalaw sa situation, pero ang mensahe, hindi ka trap. Kailangan mo lang ng konting clarity at pahinga para makita ang way out. Empress, this is good news. December brings growth, abundance, confidence, at emotional nourishment. At yung buwan na mas magiging gentle ka sa sarili mo at mas mararamdaman mo na may progress kahit mabagal. Three of Pentacles reverse, maaring may delays or lack of support sa paligid, pero ang mensahe, you can still shine even others don't validate you. Trust your own timing. Five of Wands reverse, peaceful energy. Ito yung buwan na iiwas ka sa gulo, drama at hindi kailangan ng away. December opens space for harmony, resolution at mas mahinahong connection. Seven of Wands, may kailangan kang panindigan ngayong December. Ito yung buwan ng standing your ground, choosing yourself at pag-protect ng energy mo. Hindi lahat deserve ng access sa'yo. I-filter mo yung energy na papasok. At ang overall message, December is your month of personal strength and quiet breakthroughs. Kakayanin mo ang mga challenges nang hindi nawawala ng softness. Kapag pinili mo ang sarili mo, mas lalapit ang blessing. Kung gusto mo ng mas personal reading based sa exact situation mo, pwede kitang i-guide privately. Pero kung nakuha mo ang mensahe na para sa'yo, i-claim mo. December will lift you up.